Hello my beautiful viewers. Today we will see photoshoot ideas with Diwali lights. I will be using 4 Rise LED string lights which comes with 3 batteries in each. You can easily get it from the local market or any online shopping sites. For this pose, I have asked my sister to hold all 4 strings like this. For the next pose, I will take all the strings and hold them like this in front of my face. You can also hold it like this. I am again taking the same string and stretching it with both my hands. Switch off the ceiling lights and you will get this picture. Take one LED string and try to hold it in your hands and you will get a beautiful picture. Now to give it a magical look, try to pose like the way I am doing. Here I am taking 2 glasses which you can easily get in your kitchen. Now put a light string in it like the way I am doing. Switch off all the ceiling lights to get this type of pictures. Now I am taking my dupatta and holding light string with it. Remember, you need to be creative and you can get multiple poses. For this pose, I will put the lights on my hair like this. Now I am wearing the lights on my head to give it a crown look. Switch off all the ceiling lights. For the next few poses, I will be using cushion with the lights. Switch off the ceiling lights and you will get the picture like this. Again, all the ceiling lights are off. Now I am putting lights on my glasses and you can get a wonderful picture like this. Now grab a light and make a heart with your hands. For this pose, you just need to hold lights with both your hands like the way I am doing. Do not forget to switch off all the ceiling lights because these are the pictures which I have taken after switching off all the ceiling lights. Now I am taking my hand purse and I will be tying the lights around it. Now for the last pose, I am taking the light string and will stretch it above my head to get a wonderful picture like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Diwali poses with Diya and Rangoli coming soon, so subscribe now.